Well, friends, I'll continue my area on the curve, my second lecture on it. I'll deal with this some question based on modulus functions, and then I'll do some basic question again of the what we are done the parabolas and some question asked in the NDA examination. I'll deal. Hopefully, we will be able to take one or two questions by doing all this. Hope you will understand, enjoy doing. First of all, I talk about the modulus question. Sometimes I ask a very easy question but looks slightly difficult, but there are no need for integration. This question, no need for integration. I tell you, the question asked in the area of the under the curve, but actually there is no need for any definite integral that can be done. Now I'll be doing one question that invites modulus sign. Before I go for the area, I want to draw the graph of some modulus function like this. Suppose I want to find the graph of this y is equal to modulus of x. What modulus of x means? You can put x positive or negative, y will be always positive. Now if here x is positive, then y is equal to this, y is equal to x. No need. There is no need for. When x is negative, okay, this will be then convert to minus. This will be convert to minus. If I put x is equal to minus 7 here, x equal to 7, what y is equal to minus 7 modulus. This output will be 7. Here, the y will be always positive. If it is positive inside, no change, nothing to do with the modulus. दो डंडों का कोई काम नहीं. When अंदर वाला जो x जो है positive है, तो डंडे has nothing to do with that. Yadi the inside is the minus, then this will act, and they will act as a minus, make it a positive. So friend, this is how the modulus function is. So remember, suppose you got y is equal to modulus of x minus 2. So this means what? X minus 2 itself, when x is greater than equal to 2, positive. Or this will be act as a minus when x is less than 2. When inside is minus, then this will be that way. Hopefully you understand. Now I'll do the question based on the modulus that is included in the chapter of area under the curve. So here I go. Here I go. The first question I go with this here. My first question, area under the curve, is suppose they find the area between this and y is equal to 0, and suppose y is equal to 1. Let me find this area. Area be included into the two regions. So first of all, I must draw the graph of this. This y is equal to modulus of x minus 1 means, I just told you, it's x minus 1 when x is greater than 1, and when this act as a minus, that means minus x plus 1 when x is less than 1. So I draw the graph here. When x is greater than 1 or equal to 1, here this is 1, I put 1, this is equal to 0, 2, 1, so I'll draw the graph. This is if y is equal to x minus 1. And here this is when 0 it is equal to 1, this is equal to 1, minus 1 it is equal to 2, the graph will be like this. This in white 2 minus x plus 1. Here it is. First of all, we draw the graph of the y is equal to, don't be afraid of modulus sign. I tell you this, there is a pair of two straight lines. They intersect at a point where this becomes the 0. Well, here I go. Now my point y is equal to 1. Y is equal to 1. When y is equal to 1. When this is equal to 0, this was equal to 0. Well, when equal to 0, it is equal to 1. So friend, I just take this is y is equal to 1 here. Y is equal to 1. This is y is equal to 1. When y is, x is equal to 0, y is equal, this is the line, y is equal to 1. Well here. You want to find area between this. Friend, this is nothing to do, you find the area of a triangle enclosed by 3 lines. This is a half into base into height. What is the base is equal to? Base, what is when y is, when x is equal, when y is equal to 1, when y is equal to 1, the x is equal to 2. This is equal to 2, 1. So this is 2, x is equal to 2. here is x is equal to 2. So this is half into base, this is equal to 2 and height is equal to 1. Answer is 1. This is answer is 1 square unit. 1 square unit. Done. Here is the line, two lines, here y is equal to 1. I found the base is equal to here to a 2 and height is equal to y is equal to 1, height is equal to 1. So applying the basic formula of area under the 1 and you got no need for integration, nothing to do. This question comes like this. So this is my one question. Second question I come to with containing the modulus sign. And whenever you find a modulus sign, please don't be afraid of this. So here I go. Y is equal to modulus of x minus 1 and y is equal to 0 and modulus of x is equal to 2. Find the area enclosed between these one. First of all, draw the graph which I just concluded. This is 1 here, y is equal to x minus 1 and I did here go, this is equal to y is equal to minus x plus 1, minus of this. Okay, here it is. Modulus of this is means x is equal to plus minus 2. Either it is 2 or when x, modulus of x is equal to 2, it means either 2 or it minus 2 to generate this. X is equal to 2. So x is equal to 2. This was here 1 0. X is equal to 2 means this. X is equal to 2. And what is x is equal to minus 2 here? X is equal to minus 2. We find the area between these and the line this. This is the area we want to find out. Area we want to find. Area between this y is equal to 0 is x-axis. This means these two lines. This means these two lines. This is my area I want to find out. Well friend, I got the two triangle half into base. This base is equal to 1 because here x is equal to 1, x is equal to 2. This distance is equal to 1. What is the when x is equal to 2, x is equal to 2, y is equal to 1, this height is equal to 1. So this area is equal to half. This is equal to half. What about this area? Half into my base. This is x is equal to 2, x is equal to 1. Total is equal to 3 multiplied by 3 into my height. When x is equal to minus 2, this is equal to 2 plus 1, this is equal to 3 multiply 3, this is equal to 9 by 2. This area. Therefore, total is equal to 9 by 2 plus 1 by 2. Answer is equal to 5 units. The area bounded by this and this is equal to 5. Hope you understood. The modulus sign means this is modulus of 2 means either it is 2 or it is minus 2. We draw the line parallel to the y-axis. We have drawn like this. And we got two triangles. I know to go for any different integrals and that's how I found the values. So there are one triangle here. You have to identify the base, what is length of the base. यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक 1, यहाँ से 2, the left 1 and this is 2. So you got the answer. So this is the one question based on the modulus. My next modulus question, let me come to this. Y is equal to modulus of x plus modulus of x minus 1 between x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 1. Find the area enclosed between these three curves, a graph, whatever you call it. What is they want to go? Well, friends, I just go into the questions. I draw the graph. First of all, I must see my x line between 0 and 1. When it is 0 to 1, it is a positive. It is a positive, therefore it is x. Modulus has nothing to do. When this value between 0 to 1, this becomes negative. Between x and 0, the x minus 1 is negative. When it is negative, this will act as a minus of, this will be minus x minus 1. And this is only 1. Therefore, what is the area is equal to 0 to 1, 1 into dx is equal to x, 0 to 1. And answer is 1 square units. That's the question. That's the question. It will look slightly difficult, but now it becomes simple to go. This is how we can do the question of modulus. Modulus of sin x, modulus of cos x, modulus of whatever that I go. Let me talk about the modulus of, I talk about sin x. let me take one question. Y is equal to sine x. Y is equal to 0 and x is equal to 2 pi. Let me talk about this. This is sine x and x is equal to this and this and all that. Let's find here x. Well, say x is equal to 0 also, and between x is equal to. Let's take this one. What is the area under the curve? What is the area under the curve? Well, if you remember, the sine from sine is x. I draw the graph. X is sine x is equal to 0, sine 0. When 45, okay, 90 is 1. It rises from here to here. This is the first quadrant. It is positive. Then again it is a positive. Now it comes down. Pi sine pi is equal to what? Sine 0. Then this is negative. It comes down. This is here up to pi. Symmetrically, it comes into 2 pi. This is negative. 1 here. 1. The sine value lying between 1 and 1 minus, we already know about it. Well, if I want to find the area of this sine x, what I will do? If I take this one 0 to 2 pi, and if I take sine x dx, if you do it, it comes out to be 0. It will come out to be 0 because this is positive and this is negative. This plus this will be 0 when you do this. This is there. This, if you remember, here, this will result to this. What is integration of sine x is equal to minus cos x 0 to 2 pi is equal to minus cos 2 pi and minus cos 0 is equal to 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So this is wrong. If you do like this will result into wrong. So what we will do? We will take only positive. Positive means here 0 to this, or you can do from here to here 0 to 90 and multiply by 4. This area is equal to 4 into 0 to pi by 2. This is pi by 2. This is 0. This is 3 pi by 2. And this is equal to 2 pi. So I'll take up this. And then I multiply 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Symmetrical multiply 4. This is equal to sine x into dx. This is equal to minus 4 into cos x and 0 to pi by 2. This is equal to minus 4. Cos pi by 2 is equal to 0. Minus 1 is equal to 4. Answer is 4 square units. This how can do. Sin x का यदि हम निकालेंगे तो इसमें ये करना होगा कि हमने एक सिमेट्रिकल देखना है कि नेगेटिव साइन आ गया तो वो पॉजिटिव बनाना होगा, हमने मॉडुलस लेना होगा. आइए मैं आगे चलता हूँ. दिस टाइप क्वेश्चंस. फिर एक सवाल और करते हैं जो हमारे एग्ज़ाम में आया हुआ है, उसकी बात करते हैं. जो बहुत अच्छा सवाल आया है उसकी बात करूँगा, जो कि NDA में आया हुआ है. हमने ये जो अब पैराबोला दे रखा बाउंडेड बाय y स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू व्हाट 4kx, और x यहाँ पर पॉजिटिव है, k यहाँ पर पॉजिटिव है, k पॉजिटिव है. y स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू kx है, बाउंडेड बाय दिस, और लेटेस्ट रेक्टम है. लेटेस्ट रेक्टम area between this and later. I told you in my earlier video, this is a parabola. Y is equal to 4kx. This is a positive side. It has a focus is k0, and this is a latest rectum here, which is perpendicular to this. Length of this is equal to 2k and 2k, 4k. You want to find the area between this. Area is given is equal to 24. This area is given equal to 24 square units. He says what is the k is equal to, find the value of k. What is the value of k? Now question asked in this fashion. So what is the area of this one is, well, look at the area. This area and this area is same. So I do this and I say multiply by 2, 0 to k, 0 to focus is equal to 4k को हम 4 से भाग कर देंगे. ये y square is equal to 4ax होता है, तो focus is equal to what? a0. So that's here again. So this is focus. So 0 to k, and now y dx. Now here यहाँ पर y, this we formula is ax is equal to a or x is equal to b हो तो y into में dx. What is y is equal to 4k under root और under root x dx. y की वैल्यू निकाल ली दोस्तों. हमने यहाँ पर करेंगे 4 आ गया हमारे यहाँ पर अंडर रूट k आया हुआ है हमारा 0 से ले k है हमारा अंडर ये वाला इसकी हम से 3/2 कह दूं और यहाँ पर 2/3 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दूं 0 to k तो k की वैल्यू रखूंगा यहाँ पर 4 into में k की पावर 1/2 एंड k की पावर 3/2 द k स्क्वायर और into में 2/3. This is equal to 8/3 into k square. This has been given equal to 24. 24. Therefore, k square is equal to 9 and therefore k is equal to plus minus 3. That's my answer. And if k is positive, therefore k is only 3. That's the answer. So this was the question asked in last year in 2021 to find the answer. You must know to find the area and rest is the simple to do it. So this is the one question here too. Earlier question was asked, this was the first, he says find latest rectum. I multiply किया दोनों को बराबर करा और हमने इसकी वैल्यू निकाल के और उसके बराबर रख दिया 24 के बराबर रख दिया and we got the answer of the k is equal to plus minus 3. Well, my next question that I want to do is y is equal to x square and y is equal to x. What is the area? Now this was also question asked in the examination. Y is equal to x square. Well, y is positive and y is equal to x line passing through the origin. This is the origin passing through 0 0 and meet here. This is 1 1. If you look at y is equal to x, this is find the area. Area is 0 to 1. 0 to 1. Y upper means this is y upper minus y lower. Lower is into dx. Well, friend, x square by 2 and x cube by 3, 0 to 1. It takes no time to do this one, 1/6. This was the one question asked in 2021. Repeating this question, I repeating this question because of you, that you can do very easily. This is here. Well, I repeat another question which I find they are important. I just say this question. Let's say x square is equal to y and y square is equal to x. Find the common area between them. Let me draw y square is equal to passing through the origin. Let this one. This is area here. If you simplify both of them, they cut it 1 1. Y is equal to put it here and this is the only 0 से लेकर 1. Finally, I hope you could find the point of intersection by solving these two equations. Okay, then 0 to 1, y upper means y upper, this one is under root x and y lower is x square dx. Find the answer. X raised to power 3/2 and 2/3 and x cube by 3, 0 to 1. Put 2/3 minus 1/3 is equal to 1/3 square unit is the answer. That between the two, this is the question to go. I hope you can easily do the question based on the simple phenomena, the question that is asked in the examination. Well, my question before I end up this topic of area under curve, I will do two more questions, and I look forward that you will send me the comments how you like this 4y square area between this parabola and x is equal to 4y minus 3. Area included between these two curves. Okay. Well, friends, this is the x square is equal to 4y is this one. I'll simplify, I'll put here y value. 4y is equal to x plus 2. Y is equal to x plus 2 divided by 4. I put it here. X square is equal to x plus 2. X square minus x minus 2 is equal to 0. X square minus 2x plus 1 and minus 2 is equal to 0. X into x plus 1 and x minus 2. So here I got 2 point x is equal to minus 1 x is equal to -1 and x is equal to 2. This is the graph. Between the graph this and this, I want to find the area. Area under the curve. What is area under the curve will be -1 to 1, 2 and y under this curve. Where is the line? I didn't draw the line. Still I don't. I start doing. But where is the line? Line is, what is the line here? Line, what is the line? Line कहाँ है? अब वो लाइन इसको कहाँ मिलेगी? छोड़ देते हैं यहाँ पर, थोड़ी देर के रोक लेते हैं. हमने ये एरिया नहीं निकालना, हमने गलती करी, हमने ये ध्यान दिया ही नहीं कि हमने एक लाइन और दे रखी है. इस लाइन को ड्रॉ करते हैं. When x is here x is equal to -2, x is equal to -2 x, and this solve करेंगे हम. x is equal to, हमने दोनों को solve किया, x is equal to 2, दोनों को point of intersection हमने निकाला, तो x is equal to 2, तो what is y is equal to 1, it is equal to 2 1, and when x is equal to -1, so this is x is equal to when x is equal to -1, then y is equal to how much? X is equal to -1, and when I -1, so it is equal to 1/2. So this line, this one. Okay friend, ये बात थी ये लाइन की. हमने सवाल में ये निकालना है. What is the area under the curve? हमने ध्यान नहीं दिया. We want to find the area between the curve and the straight line. I forget to draw the line, so I just corrected myself. To find the point of intersection, which we find x is equal to -1 and x is equal to 2. Find the 2 points, join them, make a line, and then now do the question. What is the here to here? X, this is -1 to 2. The limit, and y upper means this, x plus 2 divided by 4 minus y lower, x square by 4 into dx. And when I do the solution of this, I will find, you just find out the answer. I don't want to tell. 1/4 here, x square by 2 plus 2x minus x cube by 3. I'll put -1 to 2, and you will find yourself it will be 9/8 square units. This is the question. That's all. My last question of the day is my last question I do, and that is okay. One question I'll do more on the ellipse. Before that, y square is equal to 12x. This is the one curve. Another is x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 6. Between them, find the area on the curve. This is y square is equal to 12x. And now we have the x is equal to 0. What is x is equal to 0 here? X is equal to 0 is, here x is equal to 0. This is x is equal to 0. This is the graph. And y is equal to 6. Y is equal to 6. This is area I want to find. Simple. Here y is equal to 0. Here y. So 0 to 6 x into dy. What is x of the curve? X of the curve is equal to y square upon 12 into dy. So y cube upon 36. 0 to 6. I put it. Only 6 is the answer. 6 into 6 into 6. That's answer. Simple. Simple to go. Very simple. So this is here. I find the one question. So friend, एक बात मैं चलते चलते बता दूं कि हम इलिप्स का एरिया निकालें तो इलिप्स का एरिया क्या होगा. I want to say what is the ellipse of area of the ellipse. I want to do. Let me do it. What is the area? How to find the area of the circle when it's x square plus y square is equal to a square. हमें पता है पाई a square आंसर आएगा. आइए कैसे करते हैं. आओ पहले हम x square plus में y square a square का फॉर्मूला निकाल, ये वाला एरिया निकालते हैं बाय इंटीग्रेशन. वर्ड ये पूछा जाएगा नहीं एग्जाम में. 0 0 है, रेडियस r है, डेल a है, a स्क्वायर है, तो एरिया निकालना है. तो 0 to a करूँगा और इसको मैं 4 से गुना करूँगा 1 2 3 4 और इज इक्वल टू व्हाट y अंडर दिस कर्व इज a स्क्वायर माइनस x स्क्वायर अंडर रूट इंटू dx। इसका हमने फार्मूला पता होता है, क्या होता है, 0 से लेकर a x इंटू अंडर रूट a स्क्वायर माइनस x स्क्वायर डिवाइड बाई 2 प्लस में a स्क्वायर बाई 2 इंटू साइन इनवर्स x ओवर a। I'll put x is equal to a here, this becomes 0, this is equal to pi by 4, this is equal to a square by 4, pi by 2 here, 4 into this, and pi by 4, okay, pi by 4, so this cancel, I is equal to pi square. Very simple to go, very simple, pi square, answer. We can find out the area of the circle by using the integration. Yes, where in the curve, we can do. Okay, similarly I'll show the area of ellipse is equal to pi into a into b. Pi into a into b. Let me somebody ask you what is the area of a ellipse. Ellipse का area होगा pi is pi into a into b. Look at this. Let's draw here. Let's mark this. And let's watch. This is equal to 0 to a, and these are 4 columns, so similar to the a0 to, I'll put 0 to a, and y is equal to 1 minus x square a square, और y का यहाँ पर 1 minus x square a square, और y square is equal to into b square, and y is equal to b here under a here under root a square minus x square. Well, here it is. This is equal to, I just use this b upon a under root a square minus x square dx. So 4 into my b upon a. We just had this one x into under root a square minus x square divided by 2 plus a square by 2 into sine inverse x upon a, 0 to a. I put a here, 0 and 1, 4 pi upon a into my 4b into pi here, or a square by 4, 4 से 4 cut, a से a cut, answer is equal to pi ab. So remember, area of a ellipse is equal to pi into a. Well, I didn't discuss the intersection of a parabola and ellipse. They are very simple question asked. They asked standard parabola. They don't ask the parabola like y is equal to 2x minus x square. Yeah, y square is equal to x minus 2. No. They ask very simple question. NDA people are good. Examiners, they know very well. There are 120 questions. Takes a lot of time. So they understand very well. So they are simple questions, but you should know how to solve simple questions. That's all for area of the curves, my 2 videos on this, and I hope you will be able to solve the question, a simple question asked in the examination. Thank you so much to bearing with me for this 30 minutes time. Hopefully you revise and get into it. More tomorrow. Next video you will have different integral properties on different integrals. We will do different integrals. Be with the videos and see that you read them and understand. Thank you so much.